Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize your Bright's app profile. Personalizing your Bright profile helps to tailor the app experience to your style and needs. Plus, it only takes a minute. Start by opening the Bright app and tapping your profile icon in the top right corner of the home screen. From the profile view, tap Edit Profile. Here you can update your profile picture by tapping the avatar and choosing a photo from your gallery, or you can just take a new one. Next, tap into each field to edit your display name, your username, or your bio if available. This information helps to personalize your dashboard and how Bright communicates with you. You can also choose a theme color or accent style if your version of Bright supports visual customizations. Once you've made your changes, tap Save or Done, and just like that, your profile is now uniquely yours. A clean, updated profile also helps with account recovery and supports down the line. If you enjoyed this quick tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Bright customization tips and tricks. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.